Little storyteller.
Once upon a time, in a shimmering underwater world filled with colorful coral and bubbly laughter, lived a little mermaid named Pearl. Pearl had beautiful, flowing, sea-green hair that danced in the gentle ocean currents. Today was a very exciting day, because the Sea King was having a grand ball. Pearl wanted a special seaweed hairdo for the ball. So she swam to the trendiest salon in the deep blue sea, run by a sea slug named Sly. Sly was a very fashionable sea slug, with swirly purple spots, and he was known for his amazing seaweed hairstyles. His salon was filled with all sorts of colorful seaweed and sparkly shells. "Hello, Sly," Pearl said with a bright smile. "I need a beautiful hairdo for the Sea King's ball." Sly looked at Pearl and said, "Of course, this season everyone wants the spiky seaweed look. It's very in." He held up a piece of bright red seaweed that stood up in sharp points. Pearl giggled. "That looks fun, Sly, but I was hoping for something a little different. Maybe something soft and wavy, like the seagrass in the meadow." Sly looked a little surprised. He usually only made spiky hairstyles, because that's what he liked best. Pearl could see that Sly loved making spiky hair, but she really wanted something flowy. She gently explained, "I think soft waves would match my sparkly tail. Could we try that?" Sly thought for a moment. He looked at Pearl's kind eyes and her beautiful green hair. "Well," Sly said, a smile spreading across his face, "I've never tried a super wavy style before, but for you, Pearl, I can try." He picked out some long flowing strands of bright green seaweed. Carefully he began to twist and twirl them, making soft, gentle waves around Pearl's face. When Sly was finished, Pearl looked in the shiny seashell mirror. Her seaweed hair flowed in beautiful waves, just like she had imagined. Sparkling little bubbles seemed to dance around the strands. "Oh, Sly, it's perfect!" she exclaimed happily. Sly smiled too. He realized that trying something new could be fun, and it made Pearl so happy. At the Sea King's ball, Pearl twirled and danced, her wavy seaweed hair shimmering in the light. She even saw Sly trying out a new wavy hairstyle on another mermaid. From that day on, Sly the Sea Slug Stylist still made his famous spiky hairdos, but he also learned that it was good to listen to what others wanted and to try new things. It made everyone, including himself, very happy. Trying new things can lead to wonderful surprises.
Please subscribe. Thank you.